You won't let me spell work.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Micah. He was just playing Animal Crossing one day, minding his own business, when out of nowhere, something blocks his view of the screen! No, but seriously, when out of nowhere...
Boy, this is a robbery! Give me all your money!
Yeah, that's great.
Scratch that. I'm going for the Wii game.
Wii game!
And he died.
Scale time.
Fatty!
Oh.
Boy, this is robbery! Give me all your money!
Aye.
Once upon a time, there was a boy named Micah.
This is kind of the wrong time for you to be doing this.
Anyway, when out of nowhere, I'm going to pillow
Stop! Get out of here!
And he somehow died.